Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's the day when I'm going to the store to open the store, as my husband needed some rest today, so I thought why not let him take a bit of rest. And I'm going to the store to open the store, and I'll show you and I'll take you along. So I'm very excited and I'm all dressed up just to have that very nice vibe. So I'm going to the store now. It's an hour drive from here. So yep, today we are opening at 10:30 because on Saturdays and Sundays we open at 10:30. So it's 9:20 now and it's 1 hour drive. So I should be there before 10:20. So yeah, let's go guys. And I'm very excited to open the store and set everything up. So let's go. So guys, exactly 10:20 पे हम पहुंच गए हैं store, and this is on Princess Highway in Clayton. So this is the Christmas store that we have, and let's open it. आज मेरा first time है when I am here alone, but usually I am with my husband, but today I came alone. So let's try and open it. So this is the staff only door. So we'll open it. So यहाँ पे सारे inflatables सारे deflated पड़े हैं. All the lights are closed. So I have to turn on all the lights and everything. So ये अभी बंद होके बहुत ही ज़्यादा sad सी vibe दे रहा है. So let's light everything up. So first step guys, सबसे पहले हम light up करेंगे अपना Christmas treasure का sign board. So here it goes. Oh my god, ये light up होते ही कितना ज़्यादा lit लग रहा है. So yes guys, the signboard is all lit now. Let's move forward. So this is just the look of our reception desk. Now we have to light up the all things purple signboard as well. So let's light it up. यहाँ से signboard भी light up हो जाएगा और साथ वाली star lights भी light up हो जाएंगी. So yes guys, slowly सब कुछ on होने के बाद थोड़ा lively लग रहा है. So yes, this is all light up already. All things purple. I love it. So guys, next is the trees and the lights section, our most hero section. So let's light everything up. अभी कितना ज़्यादा sad vibes दे रहे हैं. The lights are all off and everything. So here I'm going to turn on all the curtain lights and all the tree lights. So look at this now. All glowy. Looks amazing. अरे पोलर बियर भी यहाँ पे अभी डिफ्लेटेड होके पड़ा हुआ है. सो वी हैव टू इन्फ्लेट दिस. So this polar bear guys, it has a moving neck. It gives a very nice animated effect. Oh my god, काफ़ी रेस्ट हो गई आज के लिए. चलो उठ जाओ. So ये है हमारी सब Christmas lights. So we're going to light these up as well. Oh my god, look at that. All the glittery and colored. So some are battery operated, so I have to turn on them separately. So yes guys, look at the difference. पहले कितना ही ज़्यादा no vibe दे रहा था, but now it's looking all fresh and nice. And हमारा polar bear भी good morning हो चुकी है. So yes, it's all inflated now. Look at that. Our Santa on a polar bear with a Christmas tree in the hand. Okay, there's one more hiding here. One more Santa on the tractor and some reindeers. Guys, good morning. काफ़ी लेट हो चुका है. चलो उठने का टाइम हो गया है. Let's get up. Guys, ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इनका like the pump is very strong, so it takes less than a minute and they are all pumped up and inflated. So now is the time to turn on my beautiful lamps. Pretty. Okay. So yes guys, almost सब कुछ हो चुका है काम opening का. So now is the time. We'll open the door. So guys, ये big वाला जो inflatable है ये हम actually बाहर लगाते हैं अपने store के. But that's not something I can do by myself. So मैंने उसको हटा के ऊपर first floor पे रख दिया. So because I can't do it, उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा like you have to climb here and there. So I can't do it. Maybe when my husband comes in the afternoon, he can do it. And this is our Merry Christmas inflatable. So everything is lit up, and this is me giving pure festive vibes. Okay, let's go. Okay, so reindeer and Santa is up from the sleep. And the tractor, yes, the Santa on the tractor is also up. So guys, all the inflatables are up and running now. And all the lights, all the trees are shining bright, all the lamps are nice. So yes guys, I have successfully managed to open the store today. Wow. टू बी ऑनेस्ट काफ़ी ईजी था, जितना मैंने नहीं सोचा था. आई वॉज थिंकिंग यार हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मैनेज दिस, बट काफ़ी अच्छे से सब कुछ हो गया. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड सिट ऑन दैट नाइस रिलैक्सिंग चेयर. सो लेट्स गो. एंड गाइस ये बहुत ही क्यूट सी बेल है यहाँ पे, विच आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट लाइक्ड इट सो वी केप्ट इट. So let's go and now we're going to turn on the POS. That's very important. इससे पहले कोई कस्टमर आ जाए, everything needs to be set up 100%. Okay, Santa का ड्रेस थोड़ा सा कवर कर दिया. Okay, that's good guys. Okay, so everything is up now. Next is I need to turn on the agarbatti. I really love the smell of agarbatti. Guys, first half मैंने अच्छे से manage कर लिया है, and at 3 p.m. look who is here. So I have my mother-in-law, my sasuma at the store along with my husband. So finally guys 6:30 हमने store आज बंद कर दिया and it's weekend. So yes, we are going to go somewhere. And guys मैंने अपनी कार यहीं पे पार्क कर दी because कल भी हमने store पे आना है. So we are going in one car, my husband's car. So yes, we waiting for him in the car and he's parking my car safely. So guys finally हम पहुंच गए हैं मेलबर्न सिटी. सदर्न क्रॉस स्टेशन. यहाँ पे मेरी इतनी ज़्यादा मेमोरीज है ना गाइज, बिकॉज आई वॉज लिविंग राइट अक्रॉस द स्टेशन फॉर 3 years, इवन मोर देन 3 years गाइज. यहाँ पे मैंने इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया ना, माई गॉड. I have so many memories. This McDonald's, every Friday after work I used to pick up the Meccas from here, spicy, McSpicy. So yeah, I have a lot of memories. So guys यहाँ पे हम tram stop पे wait कर रहे हैं. So we just hopped onto the tram and I have my mother-in-law and my husband with me and we're going to go to a very nice Yarra River walk. So guys हम यारा रिवर पहुंच गए हैं. To be honest, जब से सिटी के बाहर मूव आउट किया है टू सबर्ब्स, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम के बाद सिटी आना होता है. पहले तो ऐसा होता था कि लाइक every other night go for a walk to Yarra River, but अब तो सिटी आना ऐसा लगता है कि यार किसी स्पेशल ओकेजन के लिए सिटी जा रहे हैं. सो गाइस हियर वी आर एट द क्राउन. एंड गाइस सबसे पहले हम तीनों की नज़र एक बहुत ही कॉमन गोल पे पड़ी, विच इज़ आइसक्रीम. So yes, this is Zero Gravity ice cream. So guys, we're going to buy some because all three of us, we don't like a lot of sweet. Look at them. So guys, हमने एक ही सोचा आइसक्रीम ले लेते हैं and we can share like maybe one bite each we can have because we really wanted to. वो होता है ना ऐसा craving हो रहा था something sweet का, but we didn't want to eat a lot, so we took this one. This is I guess cookies and caramel, and then we started looking for a very nice place next to the river so that we can have a seat and peacefully have the ice cream. So guys यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा फोटोज़ और वीडियोज़ लेने के बाद we had the ice cream. It was so good. बहुत ही ज़्यादा yummy and tasty था. So yeah, our evening started off good. And this is what the ice cream looks like. And we took some videos, some very nice photos here. बहुत ही टाइम के बाद एक्चुअली हम सिटी आ रहे थे. सो आई वॉज मिसिंग द सिटी लाइफ लॉट बिकॉज आई हैव लिव्ड इन द सिटी, लाइक इन द हार्ट ऑफ सिटी फॉर ओवर लाइक 5 to 6 years guys. So I'm a city girl, but yeah, we moved to suburbs because we needed bigger space after I got married. So yeah, we moved to suburbs, but I really miss the city life. It has its own perks. So yeah, let's go forward now. Okay, see what we spotted. So guys ये बहुत ही cute सा red lips bench we spotted, and both me and my mother-in-law, we started taking some good photos. So yeah, I even posted on my Instagram. So we took really nice photos here, and I took some time out, just spent some nice time along the river, just peaceful time. And then yeah, that's sea life over there, Melbourne's sea life. Guys, do you see that building, the black building? This is where I was staying for three to 4 years. Just in the heart of city. Amazing view. It was on 44th floor. So I stayed there for over 3 years. So look at them. I'm making their video. And now we switched and now I'm with my mother-in-law. Actors, guys. But yeah, it was really fun evening because जब से actually मेरे mom-in-law आए थे मेलबर्न, we were so busy और हम कहीं पे भी बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे थे. So I really insisted कि नहीं, Saturday है, we need to go, otherwise it's just store to home, home to store. There was no time to do anything. So we took some time out, especially on Saturday evening, and we came outside to the city along with her. Oh, cute. So yes, guys, I was recording her and she was recording me. See the tuning there. So yes, guys, and we found another very beautiful spot with the green lights in the trees, and we took a lot of photos here, which I might or might not have posted on my Instagram. So this, guys, is Eureka Tower, which is said to be the tallest in Southern Hemisphere. And yeah, there's some restaurants here. So guys, this is actually Crown Casino. So guys, this is the Eureka Tower close-up look, the one I was talking before. Ye Southern Hemisphere's tallest building. And then see what they have done, the ants here. Guys, Melbourne ka ye cheez bahut hi amazing hai. Like the architecture is so good and very thoughtful. So guys, now ab hum pahunch gaye hain the Langham Hotel, which is one of my favorites because it gives a pure English vibe when you go inside. Very nice, amazing hotel. And we came here for high tea. So guys, this is how we enter. So good, so beautiful, very English. But yes, this is how it looks like, and then it has a very beautiful pond in the entrance where there are a lot of coins, because I don't know, maybe people think it's a wishing pond or something. Yeah, but I could see a lot of coins there. Maybe लोगों ने यहाँ पे wish मांगी हुई है. So, but मेरे पास कोई coin नहीं था, so sorry, fishing pond. So let's move forward, guys. Let's go. Very excited. So guys, यहाँ पे भी हमने काफ़ी सारी nice photos खींची हैं, and I have posted those photos on my Instagram handle, which is Ravleen Isher, RAVLEENISHER. So yes guys, बहुत ही beautiful सा hotel है. अंदर जाके ना बहुत अच्छी सी feeling आती है. Lot of nice places to click photos. So guys, यहाँ पे हमने थोड़ा सा time spend करने के बाद बाहर आ गए. And guys, it was sunset time, which is considered the best time to be in the Melbourne city. So yes guys, all the city lights, beautiful reflection in the Yarra River. It looks so like, you know, serene and so beautiful. Like the photos and the videos can't do justice, guys. You have to see it from your eyes. All the reflection, all the city lights. This is a floating restaurant and bar, which is Arbury Afloat. And this is our most popular Flinders Street station, and this bridge is called Yvonne Walker Bridge. So yes guys, everything is so good, so beautiful. Sunset time na इस place पे रहने के लिए सबसे best time है, because you know you can see all the light reflection in the water and everything. And guys, इस time पे यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी activities भी हो रही होती हैं, usually like a lot of guitarists or a lot of magic shows or a lot of trick shows are happening here. So बहुत ही entertaining सी vibe होती है. So guys, this is like the pure Melbourne city life. So good, so lit, so calm at the same time. So this is the Langham Hotel जहाँ पे हम पहले गए थे. And this is the Eureka Tower. So yes guys, everything is so beautiful. यहाँ पे देखो, as I told कि कुछ ना कुछ activity हो रही होती है. So here people are in the boat, they're enjoying the Saturday night. Look at them, they're all enjoying. And then there are some people coming there. I think they're doing kayaking or something similar. Oh, some pedal boat, yeah. Look at them. They're enjoying the Melbourne summer evening. And guys, all of this is right next to Melbourne's most iconic and old and really popular Flinders station. So this is a train station. The building is so iconic here. And then right next to it we have Federation Square, जहाँ पे सारी, you know, most popular events होते हैं Melbourne में. Even, you know, the flag hoisting for Indian Independence Day and everything. A lot of cultural shows. सब कुछ यहीं पे होता है city center में, right next to our most iconic Flinders Street station. So guys, मैं 2 years यहाँ पे भी रही हुई हूँ. So I have been a pure city girl all my life in Melbourne. So let's move forward, guys. इस टाइम पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा भूख लगने लग गई थी. So look at my husband and my mom-in-law. I am recording them and they're recording me. So guys, this is Chinatown. ये गेट से Chinatown की एंट्री होती है, which is also in the heart of city. यहाँ पे अंदर बहुत सारे Chinese restaurants and lot of things, you know, maybe some retail, some hospitality, lot of restaurants there. So guys, हम कहाँ पे खाएं? और यही देखते देखते मेरी सबसे पहले नज़र गई यहाँ पे थाई स्ट्रीट फूड. Oh my god, I love Thai food और ऊपर से street food, I love it. So guys, this place is called Dudi Padang, जहाँ पे मैंने पहले भी खाया हुआ है बहुत बार. I have one Thai friend and she introduced me to this place. So तब से मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा, जब भी मुझे Thai craving होती है, I come here. So I thought, why not bring my mom-in-law and my husband as well here. So हम लोग यहाँ पे आ गए. We chose a very nice corner table और यहाँ की vibe भी काफ़ी अच्छी थी. Very raw vibe as you can see. But I was very sure कि इनका खाना बहुत ही अच्छा और satisfying होने वाला है. So guys, look at that. We ordered some chicken, you know, here. एक और डिश थी एंड आई वॉज टेलिंग माई हस्बैंड कि नहीं यार वेट कर लो, आई वॉन्ट टू टेक अ फोटो, बट ही वॉज सो हंग्री सो वी स्टार्टेड ईटिंग. So guys, we ordered some chicken tender sticks and their most iconic pad thai noodles, and I ordered a passion fruit drink for myself. It came with a burnt orange and very nice flavor, guys. The food was amazing, especially the pad thai is really really good taste. एंड गाइज बीच में मेरे हस्बैंड को रियलाइज़ हुआ नहीं यार स्पाइस लेवल इज़ नॉट सो गुड, सो वी पुट सम एक्स्ट्रा स्पाइस ऑन टॉप. सो फिनिश द डिनर. नाउ इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट टाइम टू गो होम, बट बिफोर दैट हम लोगों ने सोचा यार इतने टाइम के बाद सिटी आए हैं, सो लेट्स यू नो ताज़ा करते हैं अपनी मेमोरीज पहले की. सो वी टुक अ वेरी नाइस वॉक अराउंड द सिटी and we covered Flinders Station, we covered Southern Cross Station. Now was the time to go to Melbourne Central Station, which is again, as the name suggests, Melbourne Central. So it's in the center of Melbourne. And guys, can I tell you a secret? ये Melbourne Central Station है और मैं यहाँ पे भी, ये जो आप बिल्डिंग देख रहे हैं, जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मेलबर्न में आई थी, आई स्टेड हियर फॉर 1 year बिकॉज मेरी जो यूनिवर्सिटी है, सो आई डिड माई मास्टर्स फ्रॉम RMIT यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज़ राइट नेक्स्ट टू दिस बिल्डिंग. सो जो मेरा फर्स्ट ईयर था मेलबर्न में बैक इन 2018, तब मैं यहाँ पे रुकी थी राइट नेक्स्ट टू मेलबर्न सेंट्रल स्टेशन. सो गाइज, आई हैव कवर्ड ऑल द हॉट स्पॉट्स ऑफ मेलबर्न. सो मैं यहाँ पे रुकी, फिर उसके बाद मैं फ्लिंडर स्टेशन के पास रुकी, देन आई मूव टू सदर्न क्रॉस स्टेशन और उसके बाद डायरेक्टली आई मूव टू सबर्ब्स. सो येस गाइज, नाउ इज़ द टाइम टू गो बैक. सो अब हम मेलबर्न सेंट्रल से जा रहे हैं सदर्न क्रॉस स्टेशन बिकॉज हमारी कार वहाँ पे पार्कड है. एंड गाइज, ओ माई गॉड, ये मेरा लास्ट घर था विच इज़ नेक्स्ट टू सदर्न क्रॉस स्टेशन. सो इजी मार्ट 568 Collins Street. I have so many memories here. Oh my god. I was telling my husband I want to go up. I want to go up and see my you know apartment even from outside. पर ऐसा possible नहीं है because you need access to go inside and to use the lift. Oh god. Nostalgic, guys. मैंने अपनी बैचलर लाइफ यहीं पे काटी है काफ़ी टाइम, 3 years, बहुत सारी मेमोरीज हैं. गाइज, नाउ इज़ द टाइम टू गो होम. फ्रॉम 6:30 to 9:30, 3 hours वी स्पेंट इन द सिटी. सो गाड़ी हमारी पीछे पार्क थी. सो नाउ इज़ द टाइम टू गो होम. सो लेट्स गो. सो गाइस, सिटी से हमारे घर जाने को लगते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 30 to 40 minutes एंड रात को अराउंड 30 minutes. एंड गाइस, इस ब्रिज से सिटी लाइट्स रात को बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग दिखती हैं. सो गाइज़, ये था आज का दिन, बहुत ही ज़्यादा फुलफिलिंग एंड स्टोर भी ओपन कर लिया एंड सिटी में इतना अच्छा टाइम भी स्पेंड कर लिया. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू अगेन.